Okay guys, I'm on Skype with my friend. You can hear me, but she can't, nor can she see me. So I was gonna make it. I'm sorry, she's... Elena, who is that? Oh. Can she join the Skype? Seriously, now she can't see me or nor hear me. Neither can you. You can't see me, but you can hear me. She can't see me nor hear me. So, yeah, we're just kind of like chilling. Tomorrow's a long day, virtual day. Can stay up late, sleeping, you know. Chillax. Anyways, we're gonna go over some stuff that you see here. So we're gonna go down to we're just gonna go down to something, and it is called Paint 3D. So it's my favorite. I like to just get a new, fresh sheet. I don't save usually. This is my, basically, so as I said, this is basically my whiteboard. So, I just paused the video to write this, and instead of it being like my drawings, this is my whiteboard for, like, I don't know, just work on. I'm gonna go over some math facts. So as I said, this is for review math facts. So first we're gonna go in with some. So we're gonna go in with directions. So let's go over them. So I'm just. Sorry about that. That's my sister in the background. First. Oh, we're recording. We've only gotten 2 minutes in. Wow. So first we're gonna go in with. So Jennifer has a strawberry bar. Jennifer has a strawberry bar, right? She splits it in half because there's one that wants strawberry with some cherry, which was Jennifer. And then there's one that wants coconut. That wanted coconut cream. So that's the coconut cream. Now, another phrase comes in. Like, let's say this is the same bar, split in half. Yes, I'm doing fractions. Split in half. Well, what will come next? Someone wants to split it into fours. That means 2 people want the strawberry cherry, and 2 people want the coconut chocolate. Now, I'm not making it realistic anymore. That was just because it was only one half and another, but yeah. So, and then more people come in, and we're already, sorry.
Never ever good at this.
So, we're gonna go back into the square.
I'm gonna do.
So it went from 2 to times. So 2 times 2 equals 4. And that's the way to get into multiples. But we're not going to review that today. And then that was the original. And then more people came in. So now we're down to 8. Sorry, I'm not going to make this the evenness. This is computer generated, remember. So I'm not going to be perfect. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we basically we put 2 more lines and then we tripled it. So, but then at the same
Hey, are
time,
you muted?
2 people eat theirs.
That's
How
not
many
an
would be
answer.
left?
Are you muted? Yes or no?
Yes, I am muted.
Muted.
What do you mean muted?
Okay, I'm trying to find eggs.
You're in the vent. Oh my gosh, I've been through that one. Are you playing Escape School?
No. I'm playing Escape.
Sorry about that. So, when 2 people eat theirs, how many? So, how many are not shaded? How many are
Should I go in here or no?
not
I don't know. So I have 22 of these. That's good.
shaded?
Um,
Sorry about that. Shh.
okay.
Use a pink pencil.
Gucci.
Yo.
I'm jumping.
That's correct. The answer is, this means they weren't eaten. 1. Let's go over this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's how you review fractions. They day. Bye.